Living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality in your kitchen. With clever design choices, you can transform even the tiniest area into a modern, efficient hub. Let's explore some inspiring ideas to maximize your small kitchen's potential. Think upwards when space is limited. Utilize wall space with open shelving for frequently used items or decorative pieces. Tall, narrow pantry cabinets offer significant storage without taking up much floor area. Consider magnetic knife strips and wall-mounted organizers for utensils and spices. These solutions keep counters clear and everything within easy reach. Every inch counts when you are designing a small kitchen. Light colors on walls and cabinets instantly make a small kitchen feel larger and more open. Whites, light grays, and pastels reflect light, creating an airy atmosphere. Incorporating reflective surfaces like stainless steel or glossy finishes also helps. Layered lighting is crucial. Combine overhead fixtures with under-cabinet lighting to illuminate workspaces and eliminate shadows. Good lighting enhances both the look and usability of your kitchen. Optimize your layout to ensure a smooth workflow. Consider a galley style or L shape if possible. Look for compact or multifunctional appliances designed for smaller footprints. Think about slimline dishwashers or combination microwave ovens. Portable island carts can provide extra counter space and storage when needed and tuck away easily. Inside cabinets and drawers, smart organization is key. Use pull-out shelves, drawer dividers, and door-mounted racks to keep everything tidy and accessible. Declutter regularly to maintain a sense of spaciousness. Embrace minimalist principles by only keeping what you truly need and use. A well-organized small kitchen feels much larger and more functional than a cluttered one. Designing a modern kitchen in a small space is all about smart planning and creative solutions. By focusing on vertical storage, light colors, efficient layouts, and clever organization, you can create a beautiful and highly functional kitchen. Small can definitely be stylish and incredibly efficient.